있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey, 바로 너 hey, 아름다워 사랑스러워
Oh, he made it! Alright, Crazy Kane hit the three. The kid's a phenom. And ladies, yes, he's still available.
오빤 강남스타일
강남스타일. You got, I think, 2 out of 3 3-points. See, there you go, Kane. That's how you defend. Not only can the kid shoot a 3-point, watch this. Oh!
오빤 강남스타일
Go with it, Kane. Go with it, Kane. There you go. Yeah! There you go. Yeah! There you go. Yeah! There we go. Okay, I'm here with Jack Chapman, number 44. Now, Jack's kind of unique where he plays basketball, but if you ever really watch him, what he does is he plays football on the basketball court. Is that not true, Jack? I don't think I've ever seen anyone hit the floor or other players as much as he is, right? So tell me a little bit about yourself, Jack. What are some of your favorite memories this year, other than maybe getting a concussion about 8 times? What else has happened? Oh. Oh, Jack, way to go. Shoot.
Let's go. Down the street, cool way down low. No sound but the sound of speech. She got ready to go. Are you ready? Hey, are you ready to fit? Are you hanging on the edge of your seat? Out of the doorway, the bullets rip. Inside of the beat. Another one bites the dust.
Okay, I'm here with Sean Foley, number 10. Now, when I watch Sean Foley, I kind of consider him like a linear type of player because every time I watch him, if he gets the ball, you know what he's doing. He's going straight for that basket, through anybody to score. Now, is that not a fair statement on how you play basketball, Sean?
I think that's fair.
That's you get the ball, you're going there, and it's going to be shot.
All right, guys, tell us what is today? Armageddon 2018. Where you go, Buzz? Get it moving, Buzz. You got it. Woo! All right. Here we go. And there we go. Woo! Yeah, we made it. There we go. Good follow up.
the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Use the force, Michael!
You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could
Oh,
be a
there we
master,
go.
don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run a mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the records, sleep on
There we
it, that
go.
could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
There we
For your country, do it for your name. 'Cause there's gonna be a day.
There we go.
Standing in the Hall of Fame.
Come on, Mike. Yeah!
Falling too fast to prepare for this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. I was born to run, I was born for this.
Whip, whip, run me like a racehorse, pull me like a ripcord, break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, slip, word upon your lip, lip, rather that you rip, rip, break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. 'Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. 'Cause I love how it feels when I break the chains. Whatever it takes. Yeah, take me to the top. I'm ready for whatever it takes. 'Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins.
Do what it takes. That I feel being typical. Looking at my body feeling miserable. Always hanging on to the visual. I wanna be invisible. Looking at my years like a martyrdom. Everybody needs to be a part of them. Never be enough on the prodigal son. I was born to run, I was born for this.
Whip, whip, run me like a racehorse, pull me like a ripcord, break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, slip, word upon your lip, lip, rather that you rip, rip, break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. 'Cause I love the adrenaline.
Turn it up!
Somebody save your soul, 'cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You like a drug to me, a luxury, my sugar and gold. I want the good life every good night, you're a hot one to hold. 'Cause you don't even know I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap. Somebody save your soul, 'cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You like a drug to me, a luxury, my sugar and gold. I want your sex and your
right, I am here with Josh Richter, number 15. He is believe it or not, a small forward. I don't know how they came up with that name. That kind of plays into one of the questions I had about Josh. Is his nickname's Shorty, and I was kind of curious, how did you come up with this name, Shorty? And from my understanding, you're no longer, for the ladies out there, you're no longer available. Is that right?
Yeah, no longer.
Sorry, ladies.
Cherry blossom, you're about to bloom. You look so pretty, but you're gone so soon. Some land in hot cold, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me. Remember me for centuries.
There you go. There you go. Josh Fields it all the way.
Is all it will take. We'll go down in
Oh, what a play. What a play. Come on, John. That is the highlight reel of all highlight reels. Josh is having a great game. Wow. What a play.